Hey guys, in this episode we're going to strip down the bike and finally find out if it's actually possible to run this thing on Carburettor. So what we're going to do is strip the bike down, disconnect all the wiring and start from the basics. We're going to make a manifold to fit the engine, bolt on a carb and see how it goes. Will it be that simple? I highly doubt it, but stay tuned to find out. With everything stripped down and all the wiring disconnected, we want to make sure we're still getting spark.
Right, let's try a spark.
That'll be a no.
Injector, idle control valve, TPS. Like I say, well, let's see if we can get a manifold kit made up and just test it with the carb. It hasn't got to be 100% right. We'll just bodge something on it and see if we can then use the ignition only part of the injection, so leaving all the injector plugs unplugged will flag up a problem on the warning light, but let's just see what happens, see what it does.
So after we finished stripping it down, I went home and an hour later I get sent this video.
Right, here we go.
So with a couple of wiring modifications and the manifold made up, Adrian decided to go for it. Would you believe it? Brand new monkey bike, running on a carburetor. So the next day, there's only one thing to do. Rolling road, baby. As you can see, we've got a bit of a glitch with our HTD pickup. It's just causing our rev counter to bounce around a little bit. So just about here, Adrian starts waving at me and I'm thinking, oh god, something's gone wrong. But no, he was just pointing it to me that it was doing 90 miles per hour. So bearing in mind we've just bolted on a carb, chucked it straight onto the dyno to see what it's doing, and as you can see it was running a little bit lean. But for a first power run, I'm pretty impressed. Straight away we've gained 20 miles per hour from standard. So we stripped the carb down, changed the jet, went from an 85 to a 95, so hopefully this time it shouldn't be so lean. Let's get it back in there and see what it does in the roller. So here's a comparison for you. Stock is free-flowing exhaust and carb kit.
There you go. Carburettor, that's the way to go with these. We had a 30% increase in speed, which was, I think that's remarkable really. So I know it's only dyno speed, but it's still, we had 70 we were capped at before, and now we were pulling 89.9 miles an hour. it's just, yeah, it's just lovely. So our plan is now is to make the tank and the actual fuel pump keep the module in there, lose the pump, and just get an outlet, so we can get an inline fuel tapping, and then we can get some miles on the road on it, see how it's performing before we try and make this into a full kit for you guys. But yeah, dead happy with the results. I can't tell you any more than that.